Hello, I just wanted to show how I'm making my gate detector in the AI Grand Prix. So basically, I'm training a YOLO V11 model, and it's been working pretty well. And basically, how I'm making the data set for that is I'm using the Unity game engine, which you can see here. I created a 3D model of the gate that's in the sim. I had to make this manually, like every little square I had to put on there by hand. um, these logos I had to like steal from the internet and Photoshop, I think. And as well as the gates, I kind of made this thing that generates a path that's kind of the same as what you see in the sim. So sometimes, um, well, I'll just go through how it works. So camera's right here, and it's gonna take this gate or multiple gates or sometimes no gates, and put them in a random position and orientation in the frame, and sometimes put the blue path through one or more of them. And when it does that, here's an example, kind of a bad example, but I just click randomize now, and it creates a new image. In the backgrounds, I have this data set. I forgot what it's called, but it's just a bunch of random images for training neural networks. So yeah, I can run it manually, and as you can see, it creates an image with some of the gates in the frame, and alongside just randomly placing them in the frame, it records, like where the corners are. So let me find a good example. Yeah, so I mean, basically for these two, it's just recording where on this camera frame, which should be 640 by 360. So it's recording, the pixel coordinates of these into a text file, and that's used for training. I made like a quality management system where if not enough of the gate is visible or it's obscured or something, then it will determine that the picture is low quality and it won't put it into the training set. So that's how I avoid having bad training images. Yeah, but that's pretty much how it works. I just have this 3D model of the gates, and just randomly generate an image with one or more gates, and sometimes have the blue path in it, as you can see here, and puts it into a folder. This has 54,000 items, so I think that's something like a third of those is images, and the rest is like JSON files and stuff. So maybe like 20,000 images total, and I'll also have a validation data set. And when I run this, I can just click the start button, and it will just generate images as fast as possible, load them into my folder, and that is how I'm doing it.